What if I told you that the best live streaming camera available today may be the camera that you already own? In this video for Alpha Universe, we're going to talk about the easiest and best way to live stream using Sony Alpha cameras. Welcome back, everyone. I don't know about you, but I've done more live streaming and virtual phone calls in the last 2 years than at any other time in my life. At the beginning of the pandemic, I ended up using my webcam that was built into my laptop, but as you already know, the quality isn't really all that great. In that same period of time, Sony has released a number of cameras in the Alpha lineup that support UVC and UAC. UVC stands for USB video class, and UAC stands for USB audio class. To keep it simple, what this means is that you're able to connect your camera, something like the Alpha 7 Mark IV, for example. You could connect it directly to your computer via USB cable, and without any additional software, you're able to use not just the video that's coming off of your camera, but the audio as well. It doesn't get any easier than plugging your camera to your computer via USB to enjoy high quality live streaming. This is the setup that I've been using ever since this UVC and UAC feature was implemented in the Sony ZV-1, and it's since been brought to other cameras in the lineup like the ZV-E10, ZV-1F, Alpha 7 Mark IV, Alpha 7R Mark V, and FX30, just to name a few models. I'm getting ready to hop on my next match, so I gotta roll, but in the meantime, check out the video that you see here on the screen, and I'll see you next time.